video, I'm going to discuss with you class 9 algebras expansions. Okay, so there are certain basic expansions we have to learn, and I will start with the very basic ones. You must have already come across these in your junior classes, but class 9 wants you to have a revision of these. So let me start with the very basic one: a plus b whole square. Now I am taking a different route just to explain to you a plus b whole square. Now a plus b whole square can be written as a plus b into a plus b. As you know that if there is a number and if you have a part to it, this actually means n into n. Now for me n is this, so this is n into n. So let's expand this. Now the first factor, this has to be multiplied with both with the second, b has to be multiplied with both of the second. So ultimately what we get here is a square plus, now see, a into a is a square into plus ab plus b into a, and we get b square. So if you put this together, this will be a square plus 2ab. Why? Because this is ab and this is also, b is also equal to, can be considered as ab. So ab plus ab is 2ab plus b square. So here we get a square plus b square plus 2ab. I move on to the next one. Here I'm not going to work out each of these, we will just take the formula straight away. Next we have to know is a minus b whole square. Now if you see, if you compare this and this, the only difference will be in the sign. So this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now see, both of these you can also write this way: a squared plus 2ab plus b square is the same, the order is not a problem. Here also you can write a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now if you see the difference between these two, you see here is a plus, here is a minus. So in the worked out expansions, you will see there is plus 2ab here and there is minus 2ab here. So rest of it is all the same. A closer one which is very close to this is one more formula which you have to know, is a plus 1 by a. Supposing if this is the one which needs expansion, this can be expanded as a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Okay, similarly if you have a minus 1 by a whole square, this becomes a square plus 1 by a square, and you have minus 2. Again if you see the sign, because here it is a plus 1 by a, here it is a minus 1 by a, the only difference is in this and this sign, rest is the same. The next one is, which is you also know, let's revise this, is a plus b whole cube. This can be written in two different ways. The first, you can write this as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, the same I can write in a different way, which is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Okay, now with this I will take another pair. See, it's good to remember these in pairs, because you tend to remember these better. Instead of a plus b whole cube, if I take a minus b whole cube, this becomes a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Again I can write this as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Let's look at this. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Again, if you compare, the difference is because of this sign, plus and minus. Now see, here the difference is you have plus b cube minus b cube, here you have plus 3ab, here you have minus 3ab, and if you come to this, again you see plus minus, and here it is plus 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 plus. Alright, so this is a plus b whole cube, and you have a minus b whole cube. Let's move on to the other ones which we have to know. The next one we have to know are actually 4 in a sequence. You have to remember all those 4 in a sequence. The first one that you need to know is x plus a into x plus b. This is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a b. Now we'll work out 4 together. Next one we will take x plus a into x minus b. This works out to be x square plus a minus b into x minus a b. We go to the third one, same series. You see, x minus a into x plus b. This expands as x square minus a minus b into x minus ab, and the fourth in this series is x minus a into x minus b. Now see, whatever is actually differing is the if you see, the symbols are different. So this one is x square minus a plus b into x plus a b. Let's revise. First is, let's take these x plus a. If you see this is x plus a into x plus b. What is the product? What is the expansion? We get expansion is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So you see, when this is plus and this is plus, what you get is plus plus, all plus. Okay, next one is x plus a into x minus b. Now here you see, first is x square plus a minus b, here you get a minus inside, into x minus a minus b. Okay, so this is minus a. Third is x minus a into x plus b. Here what you get is x square minus, now see here it is minus a minus b into x and minus ab. And fourth one is x minus a into x minus b. We get x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. So these 4, if you remember all together, it's easier to remember. One last one we have to know is a plus b plus c whole square. This can be written as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Using the same expansion, you can also work out a minus b minus c whole square. Alright, so this one is your workout. Work this out and see what you get. Mind it, you can expand it on the same lines as these. Alright, so say for example, where it is b square you can take minus b, and where it is c square you can take minus c. So you can work this out also. Okay, so we got to know a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus 1 by a whole square, a plus 1 by a minus 1 by a whole square, and then we had a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. Next we came to a series of x plus a into x plus b, x plus a, x minus b, x minus a, x plus b, and x minus a, x minus b. And the last one is a plus b plus c whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Similarly, you can work out a minus b minus c whole square. So this is all we need to know in expansion. Thanks for watching.